Welcome to Everything Embedded. In this short video, I'll show how we can achieve some basic animation onto the STM32 microcontroller, which is connected to an LCD screen, as you see on the right hand side of your screen. So let me talk about the microcontrollers. I think I've already covered that in one of my previous videos, but just in case if you have missed on that one. So one of the most popular microcontroller boards in the world is the Arduino board, as you see on your screen now. So, but instead of buying that, I went and bought a STM32 series microcontroller along with an LCD screen as well, a touch screen LCD screen. So that comes in a complete package, which was quite cheaper to buy, as well as offers a lot of flexibility in terms of code and functionality as well. It has built-in Wi-Fi and other aspects which I could not find in the Arduino board. So instead of spending money on a beginner's board, I went and actually bought a board which could actually be used in professional projects as well. I'll put a link in the description just in case if you're interested. So this is just to show I was just playing around with some code in C++. So I thought that this could be of use to you. So let me begin to explain what I mean really. So this was an animation which I created almost a year ago in Cinema 4D. So this is the Vincent. I'll play the animation. This is a Vincent character created by Blender, which is a 3D modeling software. So I used that character and I made my own animation in Cinema 4D. So I thought, okay, just for fun, can we do something in the microcontroller world, just to make it interesting really, because the microcontroller which I have has a built-in, comes with a touchscreen LCD. So I thought, okay, we can try something on that front. And by the way, you can watch this animation on my YouTube channel as well. So what if you want to achieve this kind of animation, but on a small, low power microcontroller? What is the process involved? It's not that complicated at all. It is absolutely easy. It should not be a problem to get this thing done. So let's see what is the process involved here really, and I'll just explain in brief. Hopefully it should be easier to follow. So I'll minimize this, and before I proceed on to the code, let me show you what actually I mean by animation, just to quickly. So I'll zoom into the microcontroller now. Okay, so as you see, so here you have the nice small screen and Vincent standing on the top of the buttons here, on and off. So if I press the on button, you can see Vincent starts to dance. So he can be controlled from the UI in the microcontroller. So this should be fun really. This is just for fun. It also shows you what can be achieved with this code and with this frameworks library, which is called as Touch GFX, Touch Graphics as it is called. And if I off, so I've turned him off, the dancing stops, and if again I turn it on, he starts to dance. So it's amusing. And okay, let me zoom back again and we'll go to the code just to have a look at the code. What is the process involved in this? So have a look at the screen now. So it's very simple really. So all we have is the background image, which I created it in Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. And then you have a flex button. So this is the control or toggle button in the touch graphics panel. And then you have the image itself. So what exactly is this image? So this is just a sequence of PNGs which I created them in Cinema 4D. So you can have your own animation created. So I created a sequence of image. So as you can see on your right hand side, so there's a series of image from which is about 142 in number. So there is a control in the touch graphics which allows you to display animated images. So this is the control which I used, animated image. I place it on the screen and I selected the two images. So if I show you the structure of my project, so this is my project. So if you go into touch graphics folder and under the assets folder, so there's a folder called images. So that's where you have to copy all your images. So this is my sequence of PNG files which I have copied them, and including my background as well. So there is this background image, there is my logo and everything. All of them have been put on the screen, and once you can tick this box which says start on load and just loop the animation. And what about the code? So if you select the button here and if you go to interactions, so it's again a very simple thing. Just add an interaction which says if the button is clicked, just execute this code. So what it does is, if the animation is running, I pause the animation, else I start the animation. That's it. As you see, just 2 lines of code really to get this thing achieved. And you just run it, compile it, build it, and you can get this. So, and by the way, this is running on a battery. Let me quickly show you without disturbing this setup. It's running on this battery, so there is no need to connect it to the computer. You can take it along with you wherever you want to. So that's one nice thing about it. You can put it on the wall, keep it anywhere where you want to. So this microcontroller can be powered by a very extremely low power portable battery. I'll show the link in the description just in case if you are interested. I'll put a link in the description which should be, if you just want to buy that or if you're interested to have that. So this is what this video was about really. I just wanted to have a quick, just a very small kind of a video which shows the capability of this microcontroller and the code involved behind it. My main purpose was to show you what is the coding effort involved in all this. So the code, as you can see, is just a 2-liner code which will start or stop the animation. The rest is done by the Touch Graphics Frameworks library. So that's all there to it really, and I can talk about the board in my later videos. The more and more I discover about the board and its features, when I actually start writing some professional grade applications rather than these small animations or rather these small features, then we can talk more about the board. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. It's just a short video, but just to show that it can be used for fun purposes as well. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.